Hello friends, here we have a very special truck. This is a 1976 Ford B100 carryall. The front end at some time in its life has been changed out for the 1979 style. Under the hood is a Mexican 302 V8 linked to a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck has a set of new wheels and tires, so that is one less thing to worry about. The original seats have been replaced with soft plush seats front and rear. There are 3 rows of seats, actually, all the same. The truck has power brakes but no power steering from the factory. At the moment, the radiator has a small leak and the rear windows are inside the truck. Both of those issues will be taken care of before delivery. The truck has a push bar on the front, which was a dealer installed option. I have seen it on other ones as well. What this truck is a truck that was custom made to order from its original purchaser. The vehicle, the Ford made a cabin chassis without a roof, and that was sent to a conversion company, and this truck was ordered exactly how you see it from the original owner. It has been through other owners since then, and you will be able to see all of them on its original invoice. These trucks are really hard to find in this condition. There are other ones for sale around this area, the dent side, but they have been worked into the ground, and it would cost much more than the cost of this truck to restore those. So this is your best bet if you're in the market for one of these. So if you have any questions about the importation process, I will be happy to answer them. We can now offer U.S. delivery. What that means is the vehicle will be delivered to you on the Arizona side or delivered to the transport company of your choosing. If you want to see more Mexican vehicles, please visit me at mexicanspec.com. Please like, share, subscribe. Actually, subscribe first, then do the rest. Have a great day.